All right, Tabata clock, 4 minutes, 8 rounds, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. I'm gonna stretch these hip flexors out, using the back of the chair if I need to for balance, so that I can really focus on the stretch and not have to worry about whether I'm falling over or not, but just opening that hip flexor up. You'll notice I'll switch, I'll move around in this next go around so you can kind of see where my knee is. I'm gonna take a break, but when I bend this leg, I wanna squeeze the glute muscle on that side. I'm about to switch sides here. I wanna see if I can get that bent knee behind the standing knee, okay? And I do that by, again, squeezing that muscle here, but also I wanna make sure I'm standing up tall. So it doesn't help to bring this knee back if I'm just tilting forward at the hip, all right? Now already I've done 20 seconds on one side, 20 seconds on the other side, and I'm feeling fantastic. I'm already feeling some of the benefits of this stretch. Now this isn't a squat, this isn't a hinge, this is not challenging, so you don't necessarily have to wait the full 10 seconds of rest before you switch either. You can just use that for a transition and then get an extra 5-6 seconds of holding that stretch. I want it to be intentional though. I want you to really focus on grabbing that back foot and squeezing that glute muscle, standing up tall. Now I'm in this perfect position for the full 20 seconds. Really feeling that stretch. I can even get a little bit more out of it. Now what I don't want to feel is any pain in the actual joint of the knee itself. So right now I don't have any pain in my knee, but whenever I did that little extra pull, I kind of felt a little something there for a second. And so you want to be careful of that. This differentiating and distinguishing between the discomfort of a stretch, this stretchy muscle, and actual pain in the joint capsule due to injury, swelling, inflammation, okay? So we're opening this back hip up, standing nice and tall, deliberate, even engaging my core, and lots of fun, lots of benefits here. Getting my, if you think about, I'm getting those glutes activated with this, since I'm squeezing those glute muscles, so we're getting some good benefit there. Some of you may have noticed that your leg wanted to cramp up in the back, trying to lift your foot up. So we're engaging those hamstring muscles, those muscles in the back. When I squeeze this muscle, it's hard for those lower muscles to not be engaged as well. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn sideways so you see this is my knee in front and this is where I want it behind. Again, using that the back of the chair for balance. No problem there. Getting an incredible stretch. And I love these exercises, and the reason I'm showing these, same as with the squatting and the hinging, is you can do this anywhere. You don't have to get on the floor. You don't need yoga mats. You don't need 30 minutes, just 4 minutes, Tabata clock. Maybe I recommend music instead of listening to my voice for 4 minutes, but just opening that hip up, getting those hip flexors stretched out, done, 4 minutes.